one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Tshabangu applauds Mnangagwa's great works amid health crisis, unemployment. The 27th of August 2025. Spread the love. By a correspondent, Self-Proclaimed Citizens Coalition for Change, CCC, Secretary General, Senator Sengizo Tshabangu, has once again sparked debate within opposition and ruling party circles after openly praising President Emmerson Mnangagwa's administration for its infrastructure projects. Even as Zimbabwe grapples with some of its worst social and economic crises in years, Tshabangu, who has been a divisive figure since controversially assuming the role of Secretary General in the opposition, made the remarks on Monday following a road trip from Victoria Falls to Bulawayo. He lauded the government for major rehabilitation works on national highways, projects spearheaded by the Ministry of Transport and Infrastructure Development. Yesterday, I traveled from Victoria Falls to Bulawayo and noticed the great works done by the Zimbabwean government, which is being spearheaded by the Ministry of Transport and Infrastructure Development, Tshabangu declared, before urging citizens to set aside political differences and focus on national development. I'm pleased, let's join hands and build our country together, he added. His comments, however, have drawn mixed reactions. Supporters of Mnangagwa's government seized on them as validation of the administration's road modernization program, one of the president's flagship projects. But critics say Tshabangu's remarks ignore the stark reality facing ordinary Zimbabweans who are enduring collapsing hospitals, a severe drug shortage, mass unemployment, and spiraling poverty. Political analysts warn that Tshabangu's praise risks further alienating him from sections of the opposition, who already accuse him of being aligned with ZANU-PF interests. Others argue that his statement reflects a wider struggle within the CCC over its direction, strategy, and relationship to state-led development programs, at a time when the country's health sector is in crisis, with patients being turned away from under-resourced public hospitals and job opportunities remain scarce for millions of youth. Tshabangu's call for unity has been met with skepticism. His remarks are likely to fuel further debate over whether opposition leaders should acknowledge government achievements in infrastructure while remaining silent on pressing governance failures.